today to color my hair. I usually have my hair done at a salon, but because of the COVID-19 situation, I don't really want to go there and risk exposure because every time I have my hair done, it usually takes about 4 to 5 hours. It pretty much takes that long because my hair is really thick and it's very stubborn, so it takes a while na kumapit yung color. And also, I usually get highlights. I mean, I'm already there, so I might as well get it right. So today, I decided to color my hair with box dye, and this is the dye that I'm going to use. This is going to be the first time that I'm trying out this shade. It's called 911 or Silver Ash from L'Oreal. I really hope that this works on my hair because I am so dying to get rid of the brassiness already. It just doesn't look so nice anymore. I've tried L'Oreal before, but I've tried the Ultra Lights hair color, which is very strong. This is not the same variant, so hopefully it works. This is the hair color that I got from the 12/12 sale. So I'm very happy to get this at a discounted price, so I don't really have to feel bad about it if the hair color doesn't look good on me or if it doesn't really work out well. Looks pretty nice and natural naman. So in the kit, we have the cream developer, protective cream colorant, pre-color serum to protect your hair, and we have the protective conditioner, which you will use after you wash it out and when you shower. I just realized how sketchy it is to color my hair over here because the bed sheets are white behind me, but I don't really have a choice because Sam is downstairs filming his own content, so this is really the only room in the house that I can film in. Let's hope I don't stain the bed sheets. So let's start! Let's start with the protective pre-serum, and I'm supposed to apply it with my bare hands. This is a lot, in fairness. I've been getting a lot of falling hair lately because I haven't been drinking my biotin. And hopefully, kaya ng hair ko yung isang box lang. Can you see the oranginess of my hair? I hate it. Next thing we're gonna do is we're going to pour the cream colorant into the developer bottle. And after that, we are going to put back that cap and shake. So after you shake it, you can replace the cap with the comb applicator, or what I usually do is I get an old pan because if I use the pan, I feel like mas nalalabas ko lang yung product more, and I can generally tell if I have enough coloring left on the parts where I'm coloring already. Oh my god, it smells so bad and so strong. Apply to the roots, apply color mixture to your roots. So the roots should be the first one, especially since they're the darkest. And I have to let it develop for 20 minutes. And then after 20 minutes, I have to color the rest of my hair and leave it on for 10 minutes. I feel like this is the first time I've read an instruction na magkahiwalayin pa yung pag-develop ng roots and the length of your hair. Okay, well, wish me luck. So, if I keep looking on the side, it's because I have a mirror. I originally wanted Sam to help me out with this, but he is filming. He's very busy right now, so I have to do it by myself. Okay, gee. I should wear gloves. I forgot. So bad. So basically, now that I have my roots done, I'm gonna wait 20 minutes for it to develop, then I'm gonna apply it to the rest of my hair. This is a look. Okay, so 20 minutes are up, and now I'm going to continue coloring the rest of my hair. I swear, I really hope that I do this right. So since it's the rest of my hair already, I am going to just put it on the tray and just use my fingers and a comb for this. The smell is so strong, I have to turn off the air conditioner and open the window. I can't. Done. Just gonna put my hair up for about 10 more minutes and then we are going to rinse it out. But I gotta get out of this room, I swear. I'm feeling super nauseated already from the smell.